Oh, hey there, beauties, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to create this 1950s pop art makeup look, and if you want to know how to get this look, then stay tuned and watch. We're going to use the must-have matte palettes, and we're going to use the colors Vanilla, Country Road, Brown, and Slate. So we're going to start on our brow bone with the color Vanilla. And we're going to follow that with the color Country Road. And we're going to apply it in a circular motion. Next, we're going to take the color Brown and we're going to put it right on the crease. And now using a smaller brush, we're going to take the color Slate. We're going to be very careful not to get it on the lid. And once you apply it, we're going to blend it. We're going to grab a fluffy brush again with the color Brown, and we're going to blend that black and brown together and work it upward. Now taking our OFRA Pro 04 brush, we're going to do our eyebrows with the color Slate, and we're just simply following the shape and making it more noticeable. Using our OFRA Fixline Black Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to outline those eyebrows now. Dipping into the eyeliner, you want to flatten both sides so you can get a very fine tip. And then we're going to again go around the outline of the eyebrow and fill it in. Now we're going to do a point right here in the front. Do a little curve. Give you that worried look. Using the same eyeliner, using the brush 8880, you see how fine the tip is? We're going to go right in the front and create that extra long wing. And then just follow along your eyelid, not going too thick. And now we're going to create the famous wing from the 1950s. Now I like to do my wing going towards my eyebrow. So I just simply go to the end of the eyelid and go up. And then from the middle there, go down. And then fill it in. Next, we're going to do the same line we did here, but at the bottom. Leaving that little gap open. And then just follow the waterline. Now that you have that, we're going to create these awesome little lashes at the end of the eye. We're going to take our Fixline Eyeliner in White Rabbit and we're going to put it in the inner and outer corners of the eye. I'm going to use the OFRA Professional Makeup Brush 01 and we're going to apply the eyeliner. Take out the excess on a napkin and then blend it out. And then repeat in the front. And then follow on the water. We're using this beautiful highlight from the Madison collab called Moondance, and we're going to use the brush 31 and we're going to apply that where we apply the white. We're going to take this beautiful bronzer slash highlight from our holiday collection called Hot Cocoa and we're going to contour and highlight. We're going to take the OFRA 21 brush and we're going to dip it on the highlight. We're going to apply that to the highest point of our cheekbones and on top of the brow bone. Next, we're gonna take brush 887 and we're gonna dip that into the bronzer color. We're going to contour and bring it up to the temples. Also from our Madison Miller collection, we're going to be using the blush called Sweet Stuff. Next, we're going to use our Fixline Stairway to Heaven to create our teardrops. So we're going to take our professional brush 01 one more time. We're going to dip into that eyeliner and we can get a lot of product this time. And now we're going to stretch the skin out a little bit and create your teardrop. Once you have the outline, fill it in. Taking our black gel liner one more time. Now we're going to be careful and outline the blue. I'm taking again my 8880 brush. Taking our White Rabbit outliner one more time with our 01 brush, we're going to do some highlighting like we did over here, just to give dimension to the teardrop. Clean your brush and then blend it out. Taking our Fixline eyeliner in black one more time and the brush 8880, we're going to start doing outlining. So what sets pop art apart from other makeup is the outlines that you do, because it makes it look like you're a comic. So I'm making faces so I can know where to put a line. I'm gonna do a little frown line right here. I'm gonna do a line outlining my nose. Then we're going to do our contour line. And then you can make the line as thick or as thin as you want. I like to make it a little thicker in the back and then a little thinner towards the front. I'm also going to do a line on my Cupid's bow. Now we're going to do one on the chin. Now some people like to outline their entire face. I'm not going to do that, but if you want to, you're more than free and welcome to. It's your own inspiration and however you want to recreate it. Next, we're going to apply our lipstick, and I'm using OFRA's liquid lipstick in Brickell. So another thing that defines the pop art look is the little dots. Now some people use white, some people use red, and some people put it all over the face or in just certain spots. I'm going to do it just right here and some right here. In my long-lasting liquid lipstick in Brickell, I'm going to use the back of a brush and I'm going to dip it on the lipstick and start doing that. And the last thing I'm doing is outlining my lips with our black Fix Gel Liner. I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay beauties, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. Also, if you recreate it, please tag us #OFRABeauties on Instagram so we can see your recreation. Thank you so much and make sure to watch next week.